Alright, so we're finishing up for the last couple laps of the night. I'm gonna do one chase, one lead. Usually the last lap is when something goes wrong, so fingers crossed it doesn't.
Said I'm taking big shots, just stop, way I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6-5. Pissed off, but I told them it's a chip shot.
They wanted me in my suit, and my balls are sweating. This is not very fun.
That's a $2,000 bumper!
I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots.
Good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to today's video. I know it has been a long couple weeks of just cold posting, but we are officially on our way back to the track today, but this time we're going back to West Palm. So we did West Palm, Orlando, Tampa, and then now we're back at West Palm.
Now it's time to bring it around town.
But in typical me fashion, I know I say this all the time, we're about 25 minutes behind on schedule. We need to stop and fill that up with gas and that up with gas so we can actually make it to the West Palm track. So let's hit the road. All right, boys, we have officially made it to West Palm Beach. We are a little bit behind on schedule, but thankfully they reserved us a pit spot up front because they're putting all the Pro-Am guys up here, which is quite nice, but also we're very far from the entrance of the track. However, this is gonna be a cool spot. The trailer's at a slight angle, so it's like going like this. So getting this thing off might be, we might scrape, but we'll figure it out with a little YouTube magic. Oh, well, that was easy. All right, enough with the goofiness of easy YouTube setup. In case you missed it, on short form, we bought ourselves a brand new set of wheels. This is the first event that they're gonna be running, and this is the last event that they're ever gonna look this clean. Which I am so stoked about this because I don't know if you know, but in between every couple laps, we would have to pull the only set of tires I'd have off on the back, go get them mounted, and then bring them back. You have no idea. That was the biggest headache on the planet. It genuinely sucked. We're doing an interview right now. This should be fun. Dustin's interviewing me. We're doing a whole thing for this season of FD Pro-Am, which you guys will see very shortly when the season starts, but we're filming all the preliminary stuff and advertisement. It's kind of cool. I don't know why they're choosing me to do it, but I'm cool. They wanted me in my suit, and my balls are sweating. This is not very fun. I can't wait to take this thing off. My balls is hot.
If you haven't already checked them out, check them out on YouTube, Instagram.
Absolutely.
Nice.
All right, let's go have some fun. All right, boys. Let's get started. We're just going out and doing some warm-up laps. We're gonna try and get a little chaotic with it. I think I can follow you. Oh, thanks, dude. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. You gonna follow over the Miata? Go to the Miata? Okay. Okay, I have to pause the video real quick because you're gonna see me look extremely confused on how to even get on the track, let alone drive it. Which, that's because the event organizers, US Drift Circuit, decided to mix up the layout from the normal figure 8 to something I don't even think I can say on here without getting demonetized. However, we are gonna be drifting the balls of the track, and that turned out to be a lot harder than we anticipated. Wait, hold on. Anyways, back to the video.
I'm going down. I'm trying to leave it stuck. Get anything that I want whenever I want. It's okay to be broke. It's not okay to be a punk. Gotta be fun. I never fun. I give you fun. I need fun. Do it for fun, man. I do it for fun. Trying to get something that clicks. All I do is flip these beats. Giving it something like a waste. All about the cream like a weed. And I wanna do it like a cheese. Getting competition like cheese. Cheese on my steeds. Treat my friends like thieves.
Wow, that is confusing. All right, supposedly that run looked terrible from the outside, but... I was just following the line leader, so I had no idea where I was going. And I got a mister.
Goo Lagoon.
It is so hot out. This is crazy. You're gonna hear me say that a lot today.
Wanna make $1 million kisses. I'm going down. I'm trying to leave it stuck. Get anything that I want whenever I want. It's okay to be broke. It's not okay to be a punk. Gotta be fun. I never fun. I give you fun. I need fun. Do it for fun, man. I do it for fun. They play left, I ain't playing fair. Can't hold nobody might stay here. God got me, that's my plan here. But I drip like the rain here. Smooth like butter, so I love that.
All right, so on this lap, we're about to try some cool. They're gonna fly a drone into my window. This small little thing, they're gonna fly the drone in here. It's gonna land on my lap. The shot will be cool. We wanted to see if it could be done for a cool, like, little ad shot for what we were just shooting earlier. We think it can. It's gonna be a little sketchy. I just hope it doesn't hit me in the eye or anything. I should probably put my visor down for this one.
I'm going down.
I don't know what happened. The drone was supposed to fly into my window. I said third lap. I saw him fly up to me. I gave him a thumbs up. And then when I went, he wasn't there. The drone wasn't even in the air. That last one, though, I was fucking just standing on left foot brake. So I don't know how much smoke that threw up, but. All right, so we just came back in after a couple laps. I am dying. It is hot as shit outside. The couple laps that I ran, I felt pretty solid about. The lines were good. There's one moment when I tried to left foot brake and the car wanted to, you know, shut itself off, but it is what it is. But as of now, we're just taking a little bit of break. And I'm gonna have a heat stroke. With Tom, who is one of the Zactober drivers, who I honestly think is gonna win this season. So I trust his driving ability. Bro, I don't know what the hell happened to me on that last run. Henry screwed me up. It was supposed to be just me and Tom tandeming, but that got all screwed up and I wasn't chasing Tom, so I was completely thrown off. I'm not too happy about that, but we'll go back out shortly once it cools off a little bit because I am dying of heat.
I saw him skip you, and I was like, well, that kind of defeats everything that we were doing.
Yeah, you were getting close though. That felt good.
To you?
Yeah. Or do you guys still have room?
But when we do that first big turn,
yeah,
and we do the U-turn, go out deeper.
What do you mean?
Go out way deeper. Go out another 30 feet.
Really?
Yeah, go all the way, like.
Okay, so next time we go out, I'm gonna chase you and learn that line.
Yeah.
Because I knew
I was low-key kind of excited to show you because you ran it so shallow, and then Henry kind of. You're coming here, and you're doing the U-turn like essentially right here, but go all the way out. It is a little bit of a snappy transition right here. Hug the car, pull the handbrake, get on throttle, and you're good.
Yeah, I like snappy transitions, so that's right up my alley. So I'll
just go deeper.
That's what she said. Right, attempt 2 is chasing Tom. Hopefully this one goes better.
That's why I told him I'm here. I feel like I'm in the lead. I just keep making these hits. Took a little break, I saw that I'm going down. So everybody put the city on the map. Never should have gone, but they said the contract. But they never been jealous.
All right, so we ran out of tire tread and I spun out. But I kind of saved it until the end. Then my line was just because I spun out and it threw me off. However, not a bad save, at least at first. That was kind of clean. We're gonna change tires and then hop back out. Dude, my tires.
What is this? What is this? What are we doing out here?
My bad, dude. I got my tires so, I'm assuming they're overinflated, but I came around that first bend and I snapped into it way too hard and I was like, oh,
I took over the show. I was like, I did just a rolling burnout the whole rest of the day.
well, I spun out and then caught back up to you,
Yeah.
and then your line threw me off for a second, so I lost it. I was like, damn, that could have been cool.
Okay, as you spun, I saw your eyes get about this big.
Alright, we're going against John Temple, who is another insanely good driver. I don't know if you can see him on the Insta 360. We ran up against him in round 2, I think. And he's damn good. But we're gonna try and match him. See what we do. We've definitely improved our skill level since then, so. All right, boys, we're taking a little bit of a break right now. The sun is just starting to set and it's finally cooling off outside. But we just did a run with Temple, who is not here, but the tan car that we were running, and that was hands down my best run that I've thrown down today, especially in chase. So I am super, super stoked with how this car is driving right now. I am physically and mentally exhausted. So it's just, this layout is funky. That's my only complaint about it. It's a little weird, but realistically, that's just me trying to get used to this and the car. So I think just based on how we're driving today and how much improvement we've had, not only with the sim, but also with just driving in general and working with some great guys, absolutely zero complaints. So we're gonna finish our break, relax a little bit, go back out for a couple more laps, and I think that's what might where we, I can't speak English. I think that's might where we call, or I think that is might, or I think that might be where we call it. Wow, English is hard. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys back on the track. All right, so me and Tom are about to go back out, run a couple laps, and then he's calling it for a day, which I might join him because I am so physically exhausted. Given this is a good lap, this could be the last one. We'll see. I'm chasing first. No, I didn't.
What do you mean, no, you didn't?
There's no way.
That's a $2,000 bumper!
There's no way. I didn't hit you.
You hit him.
I heard, I felt it, and I was like, did I just lose all grip?
Dude, I thought I would have noticed that. I knew I got close, but I didn't think I
You
hit
didn't
you.
notice it? Do you notice it now? Crazy guy! Remember in my interview I said most dangerous driver?
I did not think I got that close enough where I hit you. Oh, my bad.
I don't care.
Usually if I touch somebody, like my whole car gets disrupted.
Well, my bumper got disrupted.
All right, so we're finishing up for the last couple laps of the night. I'm gonna do one chase, one lead. Usually the last lap is when something goes wrong, so fingers crossed it doesn't. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and let's end off with a bang. Peace.
Said I'm taking big shots, just stop. Driving over the stops, this hot. I ain't playing at the six spot. This stop, but I told him it's a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. Just stop, I ain't driving over the stops. This hot, I ain't playing at the six spot. This stop, but I told him it's a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. They been trying to give me cheap with this whip shot. But I told them it's my time, shit don't want squash. They been talking, they even doing something. If they wanna play, let's get a tip off. Ain't no silver lining, dog, this some rose gold. Getting new money, I'm a old soul. Yeah, I get it bouncing like a